My name is Jane Fields. I'm a senior electrical engineering student at the University of South Florida, USF. This short presentation is a summary of the use of transmission lines and electromagnetic. As you can see on the first slide, I defined the transmission lines as tools that can move electromagnetic wave from one specific point to another. They are primarily used in RF, radio frequency, and telecommunication system to carry signals with very high frequency. I also attach an image of one of the type, which is the coaxial cable. So let's move on to the second slide. The second slide of the presentation, which is the different type of transmission lines. So I mentioned three of them. So we have three of them. One of them is the coaxial cable. It's the same one that I showed in the previous slide. The second and third one are microstrip lines and waveguide lines. I also provide images of those two. Let's move on to the third one. So this is the third slide of this presentation. This slide is about the parameters of transmission lines. We have two of them. One of them is the voltage standing wave ratio, VSWR, which measures the signal reflection, and the other one is the characteristic impedance, which ensures efficient energy transfer. They are crucial in transmission lines because they maintain the integrity of the signal and minimize signal loss. Attach or include two images. One of them is the Smith chart and the other one is the illustration of VSWR. This is the fourth slide of this presentation. It is about the endpoints of transmission lines and wave propagation and losses. As you can see from that image on the right, the direction of the wave propagation is perpendicular to both electric field and magnetic field, which means the cross product between the electric field and the magnetic field will give you the direction of the propagation wave. Let's move on to the fifth slide. This is the fifth slide of this presentation, which is also the last slide. It is about the transmission lines application, and I also provided sources that I use for this research. We see that for the application of transmission lines, we use them in antenna systems, RF circuits, and digital communication. The reason is because they allow high frequency signals to travel with minimal loss. In this application, impedance matching is essential to avoid signal reflection. I also provide an image of an antenna to see the impedance matching and then the application of transmission line in that antenna. And I hope that you enjoyed that video. You can use those sources to make further research. Thank you for taking your time to watch it. See you soon.